383 mag stroker, MPI engine. Customer bought a brand new engine, put it in the boat. Next year found out all his stringers were rotten. So you're gonna get this engine. It's got 35 hours on it. Just made it through break-in. We'll include the printout in the description. We'll show some pictures and the download of the diagnostic printout of all the RPM ranges and all the hours of each RPM range. But she's a real clean, just like new, 383 mag stroker. Just like you would expect, it just runs like a brand new motor. The only thing you can hear clicking is a little click of the fuel injectors. The only thing you can hear in this motor anywhere. And she's a real good motor. There's your Mercury tag. Real snappy, runs perfect, just like it should. Don't miss a beat. I don't want to pound on it, but I'm going to hit it up wide open for you, just so you can see. She don't miss a beat. Here you go, you're gonna get it just like you see it, with no Y pipe. This is our test Y pipe, but everything else is gonna come with this engine. Plug and play. You drop it in, you got 383 horse, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.